Hello gems, my name is Bushnell. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope you stay long enough to subscribe. I talk about femininity, personal development, and mindset. And if you're already part of the tribe, welcome back. Ladies, let's talk about romanticizing your life. Grab something to drink, get something to write with, get comfortable, and let's talk about this. The first thing is spend time with God. When it comes to spending time with God, there are some side effects that happen, quote unquote, of being in the presence of God. And some of the side effects include you get a physical glow up, and the person we get this from is Moses. He spent so much time with God that when he came back to the Israelites, they had to cover him with a veil because he was glowing because of the glory. Another side effect, quote unquote, is peace, joy. Those are two things that people assume that once they go shopping, once they achieve this amount of success, once they achieve their dreams, they'll be able to have it. But peace and joy, imagine having peace and joy as a woman, and in your whatever situation you are in, that is just a dream for so many, but you can have it by just spending time with God. The second point is curate a self-care routine. When it comes to self-care routine, there are very many pillars, 8 to be specific, but we can narrow them down to 6, which includes physical, mental, spiritual, recreational, intellectual, and social self-care. So physical self-care looks like, taking care of your skin, taking cool showers, making sure there's no hair where there's no need supposed to be some hair. Okay. Mental looks like taking social media detox. Spiritual looks like meditating on the word of God. Recreational looks like doing the things you love doing in your free time, like maybe baking or doing your nails. Intellectual looks like reading a book or learning more about something by watching a documentary. And social looks like going out more and making new friends. And I mean, it screams romantic. It screams a girl in a movie type of situation. The third thing is solo dates. Now, this is my favorite thing to do ever. I schedule a solo date for every month, and if I can do it more than once, then darling, dream. So you can do something you love to do. I love to try something different. Personally, I love trying new restaurants. You can do a picnic if you want, or you can go shopping. I also love shopping. I always get tags from some of my favorite stores when their collections are in. Like right now, I know the spring summer collection is out already, but it's getting cooler in my country, so but thankfully spring usually has trench coats, so I can't wait to check out what they have. But when it comes to solo dates as well, I'll have to mention saving and budgeting for your solo dates is also really wise, because romanticizing your life is living a life stress-free from financial constraints, especially that are led or have been made by you. So saving and budgeting for solo dates is something that's also really important. When I go for these solo dates, and I always have it on budget so that it doesn't affect me. The fourth thing is taking pictures and journaling. When I started my femininity journey, I always had Wednesdays was taking pictures day. So I'll always do my makeup, would wear something pretty and take pictures. You can do something else if you're not really the photo type of person, like doing videos, or you can use Pinterest to create mood boards and Pinterest boards, and just create aesthetics for yourself. You can do brain dumps on your journal, write about it. If you're the type of person who prefers to type, then type out on your computer. So just brain dump and just even add some photos to your room, and basically that's that. Just being creative with pictures and journaling and expressing how you feel through visual images or words. The fifth thing is dress well and find your style. Oh, this one took me a while to find my style, but when I finally did, I thank God I did. Oh wow, because style is an extension. Your fashion is an extension of who you are. So you can dress into any aesthetic. This year, some of the things that are trending are the 90s minimalism, denim on denim, sheer, chiffon, I'm not sorry, not chiffon, ruffles. A lot of feminine aesthetic. There's lime green, there's a lot of neutrals, so it's a really good time to experiment with the trends that are going on right now. And also dress as your dream woman. How does your dream woman dress? Does she wear suit pants? Does she is she feminine in how she dresses? Does she mix the masculine and feminine and style? If you're idol is not idol, role model is like Kate Moss, will you start dressing like Kate Moss? Or is your style more of Victoria Beckham? So maybe start dressing like Victoria Beckham. Finally, the last one is embrace your femininity. You cannot romanticize your life, of course, if you're living in the masculine. Your soul will feel like you're living a lie. And so when it comes to embracing your feminine, it includes embracing both your light and dark feminine energy, and just knowing which one of them is more dominant, but also knowing when to turn each on at the right time and at the right moment. It also includes mannerisms. Do you sit like a feminine woman? Do you walk? Do you talk like a feminine woman? And the different types of attributes and archetypes of feminine women. I know, there's the wife of Clooney, Amal Clooney. She's different from, let's say, the type of feminine of Kris Jenner, who's also different from the type of feminine that Rihanna expresses. So we all have different types of feminine archetypes, and I have the same archetype as Beyonce, which also is the same as Kris Jenner. And so we showcase our femininity mannerisms differently. So it's also good to learn what your feminine archetype is and how you express it, because we do it differently, and that means it's going to be a different types of romanticizing through our feminine energy. Well, ladies, that is it for today. I hope you enjoyed, and I'll see you next time.